Here are some of my go-to herbs that I used to get my hair from looking like this to looking like this in no time. So if you think you'll be interested in this video, then keep on watching. First, you're going to get your clean jar, then you're going to get your mint leaf, which is rich in menthol, which helps to increase blood circulation to scalp. You're going to need star anise, which helps to treat dandruff, improves the pH of your scalp, and also helps to stimulate hair growth. Then you're going to need some hibiscus, which helps to prevent premature growing, treat dandruff, and conditions your scalp. You're also going to need some neem leaf, which helps to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, and also stimulate hair growth. So I'm going to be using some hot water to help my herbs infuse properly. Once you're done adding all your hot water, you're going to cover it and let it infuse for at least 24 hours. But if you do not have 24 hours, you can do 12 hours. So this is what everything is looking like after 24 hours. Now I'm going to be sieving everything and then you're good to go. You can choose to use it just the way it is, or you can add other essential oils. Like I said, this is optional. So if you're someone that is suffering from hair thinning, or if your hair is breaking and you're experiencing premature growing, then this recipe is for you. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video how my hair was looking like, and now my hair is looking a lot darker and thicker. So this recipe is going to help condition your scalp, is going to help stimulate hair growth, is going to help thicken your hair. It is also going to help treat dandruff and itchy scalp. As you know, healthy scalp equates healthy hair growth. So this is me showing you how I try to use this product on my hair. I try to use this at least 2 times a week, but if you can use it every day, then good for you. So I try to apply this generously to my scalp and also to the strands of my hair, to my edges, and then I massage it into my scalp and my hair strands. So if you have low porosity hair, then you know that massaging product into your hair is something you cannot skip. It's something you have to do. If not, everything is just going to sit on your scalp and you're not going to see result. So try to massage the product into your hair. Massage it for at least few seconds before you let your hair be. And that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy. Until next time, guys, please do not forget to stay safe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.